Hello everyone. Through this video, we'll discuss the sequence of file handling in Java. So, how actually we'll implement the concept of file handling in Java. We'll write down some programs in this video. But before going to the example, let us discuss what is byte stream. So, in previous video, we have seen that the classification of stream, one of them is byte stream. And why byte stream is required? Because it represents the data in the form of individual bytes. Okay, so byte by byte operation can be done by using the concept of byte string. But how will know that which class belongs to the classification of byte string? Now the simple funda behind this is any class ends with the word stream is considered as byte stream. Okay, so you have to check if any class is ending with a word stream, then that is considered your byte stream class. Means we are representing the data in the form of bytes. Okay, and the most important, the usage of byte stream is it is used to handle any character, image, text file, audio file, video file by using byte stream class. Okay, so if you want to consider the example that to store an image file with .jpg format, we should go for byte stream class. Okay, now if you'll see the examples of byte stream class, you can understand. See, stream, whatever may be the name, it is ending with stream, so that means it is belonging to byte stream class. Okay, so file input stream, file output stream, buffered input stream, buffered output stream. These are four examples we have given here. Otherwise, there are multiple number of classes are available for byte stream. Okay, so before going to the example, let us understand how we will target to implement this one. Now first of all, here system.in will be there, means the keyboard. Okay, from where you will take the input. Clear? Now you are taking the input. Okay, now that means what you are doing, you are doing the read operation from the keyboard. Okay, and to implement the read operation, I need one stream class. Suppose that is data input stream class object. Okay, so the keyboard is now connected to the object of data input stream because I need to read the content from the keyboard. Okay, now once I'll read the content, finally I have to write into my file. Suppose my file name is myfile.txt, one text file I'm generating. So whatever I'm reading through the keyboard, I need to write down in my file. So I have to perform the write operation. Okay, write operation, whatever I have read into the file. So for that I need another class, that is my file output stream. Okay, so this is what the concept behind data input stream or file output stream. That means you'll read the content from the keyboard. For that you need the object of one class. You need to write into the file, you need the object of one class. Okay, so by keeping everything in your view, let us start writing the program. So reading and writing into file. Java. Okay, so first of all, as you are implementing the concept of file, I have to import IO package. Done. Now class file demo 1. Inside that, the main method publish static void main. Okay, but whenever you are implementing the concept of file, you have to write down throws IO exception. Okay, there may be a chance that exception may be generated, but I don't want to handle, so I am writing throws IO exception. If you want to learn what is throws is all about, you can see the sequence of videos of exception handling. Okay, so first of all, what I need to do, we should read the data from the keyboard. Okay, and for that purpose we have discussed that we should attach the keyboard to some input stream class. Okay, so let us attach that one. So attach keyboard to the data input stream object. Okay, so how to write that? Now data input stream, let the object is suppose this equal to new input stream system.in. So now, as per our discussion, now keyboard is connected to this object. Okay, now after that I need to write down something into the file. So you have to attach the file where I need to write into one object. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to write attach the file to file output stream object. Okay, because you have to attach the file where the data is to be stored to some output stream. So we have taken the help of file output stream class object here. Okay, which will send the data to the file. So attach it. So how to attach? You have to create the object of file output stream. Suppose f out equal to new file output stream. Okay, clear? Now whenever you will attach the file, you have to provide the entire path. If you are writing in the same folder, file will also be created in the same folder, then only file name is sufficient. But to be in safer side, suppose we are writing the program here. Okay, so go here, copy everything, the entire path. Okay, and then clear. So you are providing the entire path to store the values. Okay, and then you are providing the file name. Okay, because this is what the path for the folder. Now my file dot txt. Okay, so I have provided the file name here. Done. So enter path I have provided along with the file name where I need to write. Clear? Okay, so next what I need to do, I need to enter the value, but I have to also give the instruction to the user where to stop. Okay, means till what you will continue. So enter character value, and suppose at the rate symbol I am providing, and to stop. Okay, so that means I'll continue with all the characters, but whenever I'll enter at the rate symbol, it will stop. Clear? So character ch. Now next what I need to do, I have to read the content. Okay, so read the data from the data input stream. Okay, and write into file output stream, so that indirectly it will be written inside the file. Okay, so if you want to understand that keyboard is connected to this, so all input whatever I'll give, it will come to this object. Now this will be connected to f out, so that whatever the content I am entering, that will be written to my file.txt. Okay, so let us write this one. Read the character and write into file. So while ch equal to this dot read method. Okay, till what we will read now, till it is not equal to at the rate. Okay, done. But remember, this read method always returns the value in integer format. Clear? But in which format we are catching or we want to write? In character. So typecasting is required. Okay, the read method always returns the value in integer format, so I have to convert into character, and till it is not equal to at the rate, I'll continue. Okay, I'll take the input. Done. So next what I'll do, now f out dot write. What I need to write, now the ch what I am entering, that I am writing. Okay, and once my work is over, let's close the file. Clear? So I'll take the input by using read method one by one till it is not equal to at the rate, and all these values I will write sequentially into the file by using fout object. Okay, and finally closing the file once my work is over. So this is what file program. So this is the folder name, that's path I have specified, and save the file. Bracket. What is the error? Okay, so the bracket should be here. Done. So it is asking enter character value and at the rate at the end. So suppose I am writing S H R E E, then at the rate, over. Okay. So how I will know that whether my file is containing the value or not? So I have to go to that folder. I'll check my file is created. I have not created, automatically created. And once I'll open, I'll check this content is available. Okay. Content is available. Done. Once again, suppose I'll write down. So I write down. Okay. Now let's check. Yes, it is available. Okay. But one thing we have experienced, that whatever the previous content I am writing, suppose I am writing Java programming, then at the rate. Okay. Let's go to the file. So the previous content is been deleted. Okay. So if I want, that means two things are clear here. One thing, whenever you are writing the file or writing the program, you are providing the file name. If the file name is not present, it will create a new file and it will write down the content into the file. But if the file is already present, then it will override the contents of the previous file. Whatever the contents will be available in the previous file will be deleted. Clear? So that means if you want to keep the previous content, you have to go for appending the file. Okay, that's a different concept. Clear? Okay, so let us analyze one thing regarding this program. So what actually the data input stream is doing, it is accepting one character. Okay, so for example, suppose this object is accepting the character. Okay, this is very important analysis you have to understand. So accepting character, suppose it takes 1 second time to read the content from the keyboard. Okay, now file output stream is writing the content into the file. So writing character into file. Now for example, suppose it is also taking 1 second. That means to read and write a single character, my program is taking 2 seconds of time. Okay. So if I write 1000 characters, now total time will be 2000 seconds. Okay. Now for me as an initial programmer into file, I don't know what is the problem here. But if I can understand that 2000 second is much more to write 1000 characters, then I'll think for optimizing it. So how I can make it faster? Okay. Now one concept is here. I can do. Let us understand this example. Okay. So there is a concept. I'm copying this one to modify it using buffered output stream. Okay. So what is the use of buffered output stream here? Clear? So let us modify it then I'll tell you what is the actually use of buffered output stream. So first I am attaching the keyboard to data input stream. I am not changing anything. Then I am attaching the file to file output stream. That is also okay, not a problem. Okay. Then I am doing what? Now I am attaching the file output stream into buffered output stream class. Okay. So here I am attach file output stream to buffered output stream. Okay. So what I am doing here, now I am creating the object of buffered output stream. Suppose b out equal to new buffered output stream, and inside that I am passing f out as object and the maximum number of capacity. Okay. Done. Rest of the code I am keeping same. System to enter the character value at the end to stop. Character ch, read this one. Now this dot read I am doing, not a problem. Okay. Then I am keeping in ch, but instead of writing f out, I am writing b out. Means the buffer output stream class object I am keeping here. Okay. Understood the changes I have done? I have kept buffered output stream class object where I am keeping the file output stream object here. Okay. And then through buffered output stream, I am writing into the file. Okay. So let's check this one. Let's change the file name to 2. Let's change the file name also. Done. Okay. So let's check. My file 1 is also created. Java programming is here available. Okay. Now let us do the analysis again, like we have done earlier. Okay. Now here what happens? The data input stream reads from the keyboard and it spends suppose 1 second time. Okay. Now it is taking 1 second time for each character. Okay. Which one? Now data input stream. Okay. Now this character is written into the buffer. Remember, this character is written into the buffer, not to the file directly. So suppose I am taking 1000 characters. So to write into the buffer, it will take 1000 seconds, obviously. Okay. But when the buffer is full, then the file output stream will write. Clear? Once the buffer is full, the file output stream will write the enter 1000 characters at a time into the file in 1 second. Clear? This is what the use of buffer output stream. Now the file output stream will write the entire buffer full of characters in a single step into the file. So this is like writing a single character into the file. Hence, the file output stream will spend only 1 second. Clear? It will spend only 1 second to write into the file. So to read and write 1000 characters, now the total time, if you calculate, is 1001 second. Clear? Which is very less than the previous concept. Clear? So now you can understand what is the use of buffer output stream. Now the use of buffered output stream is whenever I am taking the input from the keyboard, I'll take 1 second. But that 1 second for one character till the buffer is full. So if I need 1000 characters, I am entering buffer is full suppose, so 1000 second will be consumed. But the file output stream will get the entire data from buffer and it will write down in a single second into the file. So the total time will be 1001 second. Okay, that is what the use of buffered output stream or buffer in between the input device and file. Clear? So hope you have understood what is the use of buffered output stream. Okay. Now this concept is telling you how to write into the file. Okay. Now one simple program will write down how to read the contents. Read contents from file. Okay. So it's a very small example and simple one. So let's say file demo 3. Okay. Then here file input stream object I have to create. File output stream is to write the content into the file. File input stream is to read the content from the file. Okay. And you have to provide the enter path. Okay. You have provided the path. Now fin object is connected to the file directly. I have told you the read method will give you the value in integer format. So suppose I am also writing the integer variable. Okay. Now while I'll retrieve the value number equal to fin dot read method. Okay, which is not equal to -1. So whenever the file is uh, the last character of the file will be retrieved, the end of the file that will retrieve you or give you -1. So till I am not encountering -1, I am retrieving the value. Okay, println. But in which format I am getting the value? I am getting the value in integer format. I don't need to print the value in integer format. I need to print the value in character format. Okay, done. Simple statement over. So reading the content from file is very easy. Okay, I have to declare the object of file input stream. Now I have to attach to the file where it is present. I know that the contents of read method will be in integer format. So I am getting or retrieving the value one by one in integer format and I am checking till it is not equal to -1. That means the end of file will return you -1 once it is encountered. Okay. But I need to print the value in character format. So I have to typecast it and then I can write. Okay. So let's save the file. And before doing that, we are reading the content of my file 1. So let's check what is present in my file 1, Java programming. Okay, done. Java programming. Okay, because we have written it is in println format, so that's why it is coming. Compiled. The contents of file is Java programming. Okay, so these are the very simple idea how to read the content of file, how to write into file, and how to make it optimized so that the time consumption will be minimum and the execution will be faster. Okay, similarly you can use buffered input stream to write down the program for retrieving the value. Only thing, you have to use buffered input stream. You have to keep the object like buffered output stream. Okay, and here you have to write down buffered out input stream object. Okay, so you can utilize your brain, and this task is now up to you how you are using buffered input stream. Okay, just refer the previous example. The same way you have to use buffered input stream in this example to retrieve the content. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood the basic idea how to do the read and write operation into file in byte format. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this.